Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. Today we will solve this question, merge sort a linked list. So let's see. So in this question, let's see we have a linked list like this. We need to sort it. For sorting this, we will use merge sort algorithm. For example, let's say we have a list 2, 8, 1, 7, 4, 6, 5, 3. In merge sort, we will find the mid of the list first. Then we will call a recursive function for first half. This will give the sorted list from 2 to 7 and another recursive call for 4, 6, 5, 3. Here we are passing the head and the tail of the list. For this, the head is 2, the tail is 3. For this, the head is 2, the tail is 7. That is the mid of the list. Here, the head is mid dot next. The tail is 3. Here the list is connected. Now, this will find the mid of that list from head to tail. And same for this. The mid is 6. Now again two calls. One from 2 to mid, that is 2 to 8. Another from mid dot next to tail of the list. Here the tail is 7. So this will go from 1 to 7. These are connected. Now for this 4 and 6, here 5 to 3, they are connected. Now again they will find the mid. Now the mid is 2 here. Here the mid is 1. Here the mid is 4. Here the mid is 5. Now they will call again for the recursive call. Here in the first half this will give 2. Here 8. For this first call will give 1. For second call here will be 7. Here for the first call, for the second call 6. For the first call 5. For the second call 3. These are still connected. Now the head and the tail here are same. So this will give a new linked list which will save the head.data. So here this will return 2. Here this will return 8. Same for this will return 1. This will return 7. Here this will return 4. This will return 6. Here this will return 5. This will return 3. Now after returning from first half and the second half recursive call, now we will use merge to sorted list. This will sort these two lists in this manner. So this will give 2 and 8 sorted. This will give 1 and 7 sorted. Here this will give 4 and 6 sorted. This will give 3, 5. Now this is a list for first half. This is the list of second half for this recursive call. Now this will merge these two lists and the return value will be, the return list will be 1, 2, 7 and 8. Here for this the return list will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now for the last one. For the last one, the main list. This will return these two lists, merge these two sorted lists, and return this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here our list is sorted. So we will use merge to sorted list for sorting these two lists, which are from first half and the second half of the function. So let's see. Here, first we need to find the mid of the list. So for finding mid, we will pass head and the tail of the list. Now, then we will ask for the first half. Merge sort. Here we will pass head, then the mid. Now for the second half. Here we will pass mid dot next and the tail of the list. Now after getting these lists, first half and the second half, we will create the main list to return, and this main list will use merge sort to list. So we have the function merge to sorted list. This will sort two lists and give us a sorted list. Here we will pass first half and the second half. Now for the base condition, if the head is equal to tail, we will create a linked list name base. Now we will add the head dot data. Now return base. This will return the last value, which is here. This will return 2, 4. These two 4 will be merge sort and will give us 2 and 8. Now let's make the get mid function. Get mid. Here we need two arguments. One is head, another one is tail. Now we will use fast and slow. Fast will point head, slow node will also point to head. Now while till our while loop will work, we will move our fast to next of the fast. Now slow will move to the next. So our fast is moving 2 times and slow is moving 1 time. We will return slow. The slow will be the mid element of the linked list. Now the condition of while our fast is not equal to tail and fast dot next is not equal to tail. So let's see this by dry run. Let's say we have a list 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. So our fast is here, slow is here. Now fast is not tail, fast dot next is also not tail. We will move this fast 2 times, slow will move 1 time. Again fast is not tail, fast dot next is also not tail. We will move this 2 times, 1 and 2. Slow will move 1 times. Here fast is tail, so loop will break. Our mid is slow, so 3 is the mid element. Now let's say if the list is even number of elements. Let's say 5, 3, 8, 6, 7, 9. So there are 6 elements. Our fast is here, slow is here. Now fast is not tail, fast dot next is not tail. Fast will move 2 times. 1, 2. Slow will move 1 times. Again fast is not tail, fast dot next is not tail. It will move 2 times. Slow will move 1 time. Again fast is not tail, but fast dot next is the tail. So loop will break and we will get 8 as our mid element. So for getting mid, this will give us the mid element. So this is the code. Let's run this. Before running it, we need to return the ML, the main list. Now let's run this. Let's submit this. So our code is successfully submitted. Hope you like the video. Please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.